As a mom, I experience a lot of hair fall, especially during monsoons. Is that normal?
Monsoon hair fall happens to everyone, not necessarily to a mom.
Yeah.
But as a mom, you will experience hair fall immediately after childbirth, and it's never immediate. It's always 3 to 4 months later.
Hi guys, welcome to KSP TV, and today we are addressing all your skin and hair queries. So stay tuned because we have with us Dr. Rashmi Shetty. Thank you so much for joining us on KSP TV today. You have a lot of questions coming your way.
Okay, sure.
What's the most popular question during the monsoons that you get from moms and kids?
So usually it is the itch. So, you know, mostly it's sticky scalp, a frizzy hair, and itch here and there in the skin.
Yeah.
So the most important thing, of course, in the monsoon is the humidity that you need to be very, very careful about. You can't avoid the humidity. So then how do you take care of your skin? Is one, make sure your body creases are dry, most importantly. So therefore, then you stop skin secretions accumulating and then probably fungus growing onto it and getting those little infections, bacterial or fungus that you don't want. Those are the ones usually which causes the itch. So that's something that if you avoid, that's good. But if you already have one, then it's best to meet your doctor soon enough. And please, I'm telling you, please do not do over-the-counter medicines. Because most over-the-counter medicines or anything that your medical shop guy is going to just dish out and give it to you will always have a steroid in it. And once for those itches and the body creases, you end up using a steroid mixed cream, you are really, really, really in trouble for life. Because a lot of those microbes or those fungus and bacteria become resistant to any other drug later. So please beware of that and make sure you go to your doctor and get the right treatment for that, and it's most important. That it can be a lifetime irritant if you don't take care of it right now and well.
Right. As a mom, I experience a lot of hair fall, especially during monsoons. Is that normal?
Monsoon hair fall happens to everyone, not necessarily to a mom.
Yeah.
But as a mom, you will experience hair fall immediately after childbirth, and it's never immediate. It's always 3 to 4 months later.
Correct.
You know, there's this old woman saying,
yes.
The child smiles at you is when the hair falls. So that's only because it's 3 months later is when these activities happen.
Right.
And that's how much time it takes for your hair to, you know, respond to the stress and the hormonal changes and then fall. So that's why it's around 3 to 4 months. And usually all of that hair comes right back, so don't get really panicked.
Doesn't. But anything that you can do to address the monsoon hair fall, or it's normal?
Monsoon hair fall is normal, it can happen, but what you could do, as I said, is wash your hair pretty often, keep it well, and don't use too many hair products, styling products, I mean to say, which kind of opens up the cuticle further and may lead to hair breakage. So that's something that you don't want.
Right. Then somebody's actually asked that, you know, for skin, they see special things breaking. I mean, they see their skin breaking out a lot during monsoons. So any reasons why?
That can happen as well because of the humidity and because of the moisture itself and the oil secretions becoming more. So that could happen during the monsoons, and that might lead to excessive acne if at all.
Right. So that's, and any specific monsoon regime that they should follow for their skin?
What you could do in monsoon is wash your face maybe one extra time. If you're washing your face twice, you end up washing your face thrice. That's one thing. And the other thing that you can end up doing is, if you're using thick creams, now you move to serums or light moisturizers. So that's another thing. So those are the few little things that you can do, and start using a little more acidic like AHAs and BHAs that you end up using in your night creams. Maybe you could put in a little bit of a retin-A in the night cream, something which kind of helps ease up the top dead layer of the skin instead of accumulating it, and then lessen the oiliness of the skin itself can be done. But just increasing the number of times you wash your hair, but don't do it more than 4 times, is something that can just help keep that stickiness away from your skin.
Then somebody's asked, during the monsoons, my skin feels very, very greasy. Each time I splash water, do I need to wash it with a cleanser, or should I just be splashing water?
You can't keep splashing water on the face. That's really not good.
That's a myth, guys. That's a myth.
Don't keep splashing water on the face. If you splash your water, which means you're washing your face, and then you wash it with your cleanser or face wash or whatever you're using, and not more than 3 times. Maximum, if your skin is really, really oily, 4 times.
Okay. Great. Thank you so much for being with us today, and we look forward to having you again.
Thank you.
For more recipes, conversation, DIYs for kids, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from Kidsstoppress.com.